Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. As always, this is not financial advice. You know the drill. Don't go doing something just because the internet told you to. Do your own research, reach your own conclusions, this, that, and the other. Tonight, I want to talk to you about T7 Trading Terminal System. We've got a referral link to register. So we've talked about these guys before in our link. So we're doing something a little different tonight. In order to register, go through that link, fill out your information. Now I want to talk to you about their dashboard. They've got a quick investment, so you can they're speedy, an inter-exchange arbitrage, triangle arbitrage, signals, partner's office, communication. Let's take a look at quick investment. So here you are. You see their various aggregators, all their options: deposit, transfer, withdraw, profitability, activity. So there's that. Oh, I'll log in from my personal account. There I am. Now, inter-exchange arbitrage. The Business Pro user. Now, all of these are Business Pro, but here we've got the arbitrage cross strategy, limitations, DEX trading, investor. All info explained there for you. Back to the dashboard. Now, triangle arbitrage. And you see all the spikes, all the ups and downs, the bulls and the bears. History of exchanges. Lots of data points you can explore. Investing, strategizing, limits, cyclical arbitrage, all this stuff. Let me get back to my dashboard. Personal account, back in. Now, signals. My goodness, it's given you all the signs. Gridbot, scalper, ping pong, limits. Now, you want to get in here and obtain the status of project partner. It's a handy thing to get involved with. Now, in their Marketing Pro section here, they have got some really cool Zoom events here. Like the leader meeting coming up in Dubai in March of this year. Day 1, acclimatization, arrival, check-in, hotel. All of these, they've got Zoom meetings for as well, but if you're in Dubai or you want to make a trip to Dubai, they've got a real thing going on there. So, they've got some fun stuff going on. I'd encourage you to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the Revolution.